Imagine a world where you can make purchases without worrying about the burden of interest. Yes, it's not a fantasy but a reality with interest-free credit cards. These are not just simple pieces of plastic but powerful financial tools that can make your life easier. Interest-free credit cards, as the name suggests, offer a period during which no interest is charged on your purchases. This period, commonly known as the interest-free period, can range from a few months to over a year, depending on the card. It's a window of opportunity for you to make purchases and pay them off without the additional cost of interest. In this intriguing world of interest-free credit cards, you can buy that new laptop, book a dream vacation, or pay for an unexpected emergency, all without the fear of accruing interest immediately. It's like getting a short-term loan without the sting of added costs. But remember, the magic lies in paying off your balance within the interest-free period. If not, the standard interest rates apply, and they can be quite high. So the key is to use these cards wisely and responsibly. So why are these cards becoming popular? Well, they can be a smart way to manage your finances. They give you the flexibility to spread out a large purchase over several months without the burden of interest. They also can be a lifesaver in case of emergencies when you need immediate financial aid. Moreover, many of these cards come with additional perks like reward points, cashback, and other benefits, making them an even more attractive option. In the end, it all comes down to how you use these cards. With careful planning and disciplined spending, these cards can be your ally in financial management, helping you to navigate through your purchases smoothly and efficiently. Interest-free credit cards are the modern-day magic ones that help you manage your finances smartly. So, shall we delve into some of the best interest-free cards available? First on our list is a card that is truly a zero-interest magician. This card is not just your regular plastic. It's a financial tool that works hard for you. This card stands out in the crowded market of credit cards with its exceptional features and benefits. Let's dive into the heart of this card, the interest-free period. This card offers an incredibly long interest-free term. Imagine this: you can make purchases, big or small, and not pay a penny in interest for an extended period. This feature is a lifesaver, especially for those who are planning significant expenses like home renovations or a dream vacation. But the magic doesn't stop there. This card also offers rewards for every pound spent. Yes, you heard it right. Every pound you spend can earn you points, and these points can be redeemed for a variety of rewards. This feature makes it more than just a credit card. It's a rewards card that keeps giving back, making your spending more rewarding. Now let's talk about another highlight of this card: its flexibility. This card offers the option of transferring balances from other credit cards, allowing you to consolidate your debts and manage them more efficiently. So, who is this card best suited for? Well, this card is a perfect fit for anyone looking to make large purchases and spread the cost over time without the burden of interest. It's also ideal for those who'd love to earn rewards on their everyday spending. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. While this card offers a bevy of benefits, it's important to remember to pay off your balance before the interest-free period ends to avoid any interest charges. Let's also not forget its unique selling points. This card is not just about interest-free purchases. It's about rewarding spending, offering flexibility, and enabling efficient debt management. With its impressive features, this card certainly sets a high bar in the world of interest-free credit cards. Next up is a card that is an absolute virtuoso in offering interest-free benefits. Welcome back to the symphony of interest-free credit cards, where we now move on to our second Maestro, a card that is as versatile as it is beneficial. This card, much like its predecessor, also offers a period of interest-free purchases, but it doesn't stop there. This virtuoso of a card goes above and beyond, providing a unique blend of features that sets it apart in the credit card orchestra. Let's delve into the details of what makes this card so special. It offers an impressive interest-free period on purchases, giving you ample time to spread the cost of your spending without the burden of interest. This is a boon for those looking to make big-ticket purchases or simply wanting to manage everyday expenses more efficiently. But what truly sets this card apart is its additional benefits. It offers a rewards program that lets you earn points on your spending, which you can redeem for various perks and privileges. This means not only are you getting the benefit of interest-free spending, but you're also being rewarded for it. It's like getting a standing ovation for a performance you'd give anyway. This card also offers a balance transfer feature, allowing you to move existing debt from other credit cards onto this one, and enjoy an interest-free period on that debt too. This is an excellent feature for those looking to consolidate their credit card debt and manage it more effectively. Comparing this Virtuoso with the Magician we discussed previously, it's clear that while both offer interest-free periods, they each have their unique selling points. The Magician dazzles with its longer interest-free period, while the Virtuoso impresses with its versatile features and rewards program. In conclusion, this card, with its unique blend of features, is certainly a standout in the world of interest-free credit cards. Whether you're looking to make big purchases, manage everyday expenses, or consolidate your credit card debt, this card has you covered. This card, with its unique offerings, is another strong contender in the interest-free credit card market. Let's now explore a card that's an absolute maestro in the no-interest game. Imagine a credit card that is tailored to suit your spending habits and financial needs. A card that not only offers zero interest on purchases, but also on balance transfers. Isn't that an ideal scenario? Well, this isn't just a figment of your imagination. It exists, and it's our third contender in the no-interest arena. This card is a master of flexibility, offering a generous, interest-free period on purchases. This means you can make big-ticket purchases without worrying about accruing interest for a specific period. You can split the cost of these purchases over several months, making them more manageable. But remember, it's crucial to pay off your balance within the interest-free period to avoid any interest charges. What sets this card apart is its balance transfer feature. For a small fee, you can transfer your existing credit card debt onto this card and enjoy an extended interest-free period. This can be a game changer if you're trying to pay down high-interest debt. But the benefits don't stop there. This card also offers rewards on your everyday spending. Whether it's groceries, dining out, or online shopping, you can earn points that you can redeem for a variety of rewards. This is a perfect blend of savings and rewards. This card's unique features make it a standout player in the no-interest credit card field. It's a jack of all trades, combining an interest-free period, balanced transfer capability, and a rewarding points system. This makes it a fantastic choice for those looking to save on interest charges while reaping rewards on their spending. One thing to remember, though, is that like any credit card, it's important to use this card responsibly. Make sure to pay on time and in full each month to avoid any penalties and to maintain a good credit score. So, if you're looking for a card that's a maestro in the no-interest game, this could be the one for you. It's a tough competitor, providing a great blend of features that cater to a wide range of financial needs. Its unique features make this card a tough competitor in the interest-free credit card world. So, we've unraveled the magic of 3 interest-free credit cards, each with its own unique offerings. Let's take a moment to revisit this enchanting trio. First, we met the zero-interest Magician, a card that truly lives up to its name. With an initial interest-free period that can span over a year, it's perfect for those who want to make large purchases and pay them off slowly, without the added burden of interest. It's like having a magic wand that makes interest disappear. Then, we encountered the interest-free Virtuoso, a maestro of balance transfers. This card is the ideal choice for anyone looking to consolidate their debt. It offers a generous interest-free period on balance transfers, allowing you to move your debt from a high-interest card and pay it off more comfortably. It's a virtuoso performance that can make your financial burdens seem less daunting. Finally, we were introduced to the no-interest Maestro, a card that combines the best of both worlds. It offers an interest-free period on both purchases and balance transfers. If you're looking for flexibility and a comprehensive approach to managing your finances, this card is your conductor, orchestrating a symphony of savings. Now, let's not forget the potential benefits of using an interest-free card. These cards can help you manage your finances more effectively, offering breathing space to pay off large purchases or consolidate debt without incurring additional interest. But remember, the magic only lasts as long as the interest-free period, so it's important to have a plan to pay off the balance before the spell is broken. In this world of interest-free magic, each card has its own special trick, designed to cater to different financial needs and situations. Whether you're looking to make a large purchase, consolidate debt, or want the flexibility of both, there's a card out there that can perform the financial magic you need. Choosing the right interest-free credit card can be a game changer in managing your finances. Remember, the magic lies in using these cards wisely.